Today, Ethereum saw another massive price rally, hitting yet another new all-time high for the second time in as many weeks. What the heck is going on with Ethereum? And can we see Ethereum hitting $2,000 this week, maybe even doubling in the coming weeks? I think yes. My name is Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money in crypto. By the way, if you want to start earning a safe and easy passive income with your Ethereum, then you absolutely should check out my preferred crypto lender, BlockFi. With BlockFi, you can earn 5.25% on your Ethereum, 6% on your Bitcoin, 8.6% on USDC dollar stable coins. And as a special bonus, if you sign up using the link down below in the description, you can get up to a $250 Bitcoin bonus. So check that out. Okay, so wow, just let's get straight into the charts here. Look at what's happening with Ethereum right now. So Ethereum has indeed hit a new all-time high today. The new high watermark, $1,475 at the time of recording this video. Gotta say though, $1,500 would have been way cooler, Ethereum. Anyway, Ethereum has now closed 21 days straight above $1,000. That is very bullish. Now, we did see dips under $1,000. During those days, we did have wicks under, but those were bought up extremely quickly. Those dips lasted no more than a couple of hours when they did happen. Ethereum is now entering price discovery mode, which is a very exciting time. The next big level on the Fibonacci is 2,340. So after the big round number at 2,000, I think that's probably the key level that we should be watching for. And the weekly close for Ethereum looking very, very nice as well. In fact, it is the highest weekly candle close for Ethereum ever. I'm getting the feeling that we may get a repeat of that next week for Ethereum. In fact, we're starting to get that, I don't know, I'm getting those kind of Bitcoin 20K vibes here with Ethereum right now, where we kind of might see Ethereum pulling a Bitcoin and doubling within a few weeks after breaking its all-time high. So of course, as we know, when Bitcoin finally broke over $20,000, it raged for 4 weeks straight before having any kind of a cool down period. I think that the same thing is about to happen with Ethereum. So this time next month, we could see Ethereum being worth $2,800. That would be a double from its all-time high approximately. Now, speaking of Bitcoin, let's look at the ETH BTC chart. This has performed beautifully. That breakout, amazing, very, very strong. The first major take profit region from this incredible triangle, like mega triangle breakout, is around 8 million Satoshis. So that would see, again, Ethereum doubling in price over the next month or so. That's the purple box on the chart, by the way. So watch for that event that we get a retest of this triangle. We could, after, hitting this new all-time high, we could see a bit of a cool down. So if that does happen, that's probably the last best buying opportunity before this thing really takes off. Also, I want to share some bullish stats to back up the charts today as well. Ethereum has just reached a 15-month low of coins on exchange. You can see on this chart here that there was a massive outflow of Ethereum coins in just the last few days, showing, of course, massive demand from buyers who were buying Ethereum over $1,000. In fact, we had the single biggest withdrawal of Ethereum from an exchange in 4 years on Friday, so that's pretty impressive. That big dip last week, it was a freaking feeding frenzy for buyers and for whales in particular. I think we will see this continue to fall as the FOMO starts kicking in for Ethereum. And of course, when we talk about the whales, we have to mention that the number of addresses holding over 10,000 Ethereum is also on the rise, just hit a 13-month high with 32 new Ethereum whales created in the last 2 weeks. Now, the cost to be an Ethereum whale, to be in the club, is around $14 million at the current price. A lot of these guys bought in for around $10 million when the price was kind of ranging around as it was. The total amount of Ethereum in the ETH 2.0 staking contract is now at 2.82 million Ethereum. That just continues to steadily rise over time. The number of non-zero addresses for Ethereum just hit a new all-time high as well at 52,736,000 and a little bit of change. And while that does not directly correlate to the number of users, right? Since I have like 20 Ethereum addresses probably, it does definitely show strong growth, and yes, that new users are coming in all of the time. The decentralized finance sector also going totally insane recently, so the volume on decentralized exchanges has now passed $40 billion a month. This is now more than the peak volume that we saw back during the so-called DeFi summer of 2020. So decentralized exchanges totally going crazy, DeFi going crazy, total value locked soaring as well. The total number of people using DeFi has now passed 1.25 million. Again, incredible growth from this time last year, because this time last year we had very, very few working products. Now we have dozens and dozens of them, which is very exciting. I know I keep talking about it, but guys, we are only 2 weeks away from the launch of the CME Ethereum futures. The price could pump super hard, super fast in anticipation of that launch. It could be just another catalyst, right, to help push us there. Now, what will happen after the launch of the CME futures is really anyone's guess, but personally, I don't think that the price will crash because of it. People are saying, well, you know, we got Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin crashed as a result. Bitcoin crashed because we were at the top of a blow-off parabolic insanity peak for the market. We're not with that right now for Ethereum. Now, if we were close to such a situation, if Ethereum is at $10,000, and I'd say, yeah, institutions are probably going to be shorting Ethereum. But we are in a bull market in the relatively early stages of it still. They will long Ethereum. Ethereum is just breaking its all-time high. It's just entering price discovery. Anyway, that's my guess. I suppose we'll find out for sure in 2 weeks. But this is the first big product that's going to let institutions get exposure to Ethereum without needing to pay that big premium over on Grayscale. So I think it's going to be very, very popular. I think they're going to want positive exposure to see the price, be longing it upwards. So anyway, your question for today. Do you think that Ethereum is going to reach $2,000 this week? Is it possible it's going to be a big, big week where we're going to see like a 30-40% gain for Ethereum? Let me know your opinion down below in the comments section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.